Long time ago, tribe have rule. Everyone hunt, everyone eat. Simple, fair. But one day, Chief Grug say, me no hunt today. Me think big thought instead. Tribe say, okay, but Grug still eat. Why? Because Grug invent new word, tax. Tax mean tribe give small piece of goatberry or shiny rock to Chief. In return, Chief say he build thing for tribe, like strong fence to keep out bad saber-tooth, or dig big hole for pooping so tribe no poop next to fire again. Good. But soon, Chief realize he no need do digging. He take tribe shiny rock, give to other cavemen to dig hole. That caveman called government worker. Government worker dig many holes. Good holes. But sometimes worker no dig. Just sit and talk about hole. Still get shiny rock. Confusing. Grug say tax is mandatory gift. Tribe no can say no. If you know, give tax. Angry rock counter come. He say, where shiny rock? No shiny rock. Me take your cave. Tribe give rock. No want lose cave. But where shiny rock go? Tribe wonder. Chief say some rock go to protect tribe. Like warrior with big stick. Other rock go to fix path. Teach cave children. Heal sick cave folk. That sound good? But sometimes rock go to strange thing. Like build giant stone face of Grug in middle of village. Grug call it important culture statue. Tribe not sure, but they already pay. So statues stay. Then tribe see some cave folk pay a lot of tax. Other cave folk pay little. Big brain caveman with many shiny rocks learn how to hide rock in secret cave. Call it tax shelter. Very sneaky. Tribe get mad. But Grug say, more tax make tribe strong. Other cavemen say, too much tax make tribe poor. Both scream. No one listened. Meanwhile, tribe just want to know why shiny rock disappear, but hole still not dug. So what lesson? Tax like giving meat to tribe pot. If all share fair, all eat. But if some eat before meat cook, tribe get angry. Tax not bad, but must be fair. Tribe no like when chief eat all stew. Best way tribe keep eye on stew. Make sure no one take extra meat. Then tax work. Tribe grows strong. Everyone happy. Except Sneaky Grug. He no like sharing. Me, caveman. Me explain tax. You now smarter. But still, no can explain why tax form have 97 page, maybe big brain cave folk know. Me go ask later. Now me go now.